Welcome back to Verified or Not. Today, we're scanning Kubernetes Goat, a deliberately vulnerable Kubernetes cluster designed for security training. This is a massive repo. Multiple Docker files, infrastructure configs, Python scripts, and shell scripts, perfect for testing all 9 engines. Let's see what happens when we throw this at debuggix. I'm pasting the GitHub URL into debuggix. Hit scan, and all 9 engines fire up in parallel. You can see semgrep running static analysis, Trivy scanning dependencies, Chekhov, analyzing the infrastructure configs, and Git leaks, hunting for secrets, all at the same time. About 2 minutes for a repo this size. And done. Now, here's where it gets interesting. 134 raw findings. But look at this. Needs attention. 0. Reviewed. 134. Every single finding was correctly identified as intentional. Kubernetes Goat is supposed to be insecure. The AI filter read the README, understood the project's purpose, and classified everything correctly. 2 critical, 32 high, 33 medium, 14 low, and debuggix knew none of them were real threats. That's the difference between a dumb scanner and one that actually understands your project. Every finding has actions you can take. Generate AI fixes if you're on Pro, export, reports, or open the Workspace. Let's open the Workspace and see what that looks like. This is the debuggix Workspace. You get a full IDE-like view of the repo with the help of the buttons. You can browse the code, see exactly where each engine flagged something, and understand the context. For a project like Kubernetes Goat, this is perfect for learning. You can see the vulnerability and the code that creates it side by side. Next episode, we're scanning something completely different. Subscribe so you don't miss it.